End every line with an alphabetical first-letter word.
Freestyle, Part 2, Comeback, The Return of TMB. Like I said, don't you say that you're the biggest, that's another word for amateur. Can't get on my level cause you keep recording bullshit and you beat you want to give me, I'ma send it to the clinic. Deeds of the class, I'ma put you with the tension. If I ever said I'm great, I was capping cause I'm excellent. I direct a lot of bitches, you can see my woman feminine. Soon as I begin my lyrics say the home gelatin. Listen to your music, no comment, that's it, it's horrible. Describe TMB in one word, incredible. Punchlines give you a knockout like it's a right zip. Transport the one BMW, that's a kidnap. Marathon first place, crossing my victory lap. Hate me if you want to, that's the way I stay motivated. I don't need the Grammy cause I know I get be nominated. Vodka for the wins, real special occasion. Shoot you with these lines like a bullet penetration. I really make music, I don't need qualification. My music travel all over the city, radiation. Taught myself to murder any beat sophistication. Optimus Prime, that's my final transformation.